Komishona mar Alwora ma Nyanza Florah Mworoa oyango ni giseketo chenro mag ikruok kotenore kod rita kwe e Alwora ma Nyanza e kinde nyasi mag sikuku mag Christmas kod higa manyien. Kane otwak kod jofwambo kawuono, Mworoa kod ni giseketo obila mag arita e kidienje duto mabiro neno ni arita oredi makare, kendo obila mantiere yweyo oseluongi mondo odong e tich mar nyayo kwe. Omedo ni obila mag apaya oseketi mabiro neno ni chike mag apaya oriti, kendo idhi keti obila e tong' mopogore e Alwora ma Nyanza mar neno ni jonjore ok odonjo kendo rocho kwe.
All security officers who are on leave have been recalled, and they are all expected to be at their workplaces. I also want to note that the National Police Service, in conjunction with the NTSA, will also be enforcing compliance of traffic rules. I also want to note that all border control agencies have secured security at all exit and entry points at the borders of our country to ensure smooth movement of passengers within the borders, so that we do not have people, criminals infiltrating into our country or even leaving our country. I wish to call upon all the residents of Nyanza region to cooperate with the security agencies, because security starts with all of us. Therefore, we will be sharing a number whereby anybody who has an issue during this festive season should be able to make a call, and they will be attended to very quickly, so that we can have a secure Christmas and a secure New Year as well.
Jatend migao mar arita kwe Kipchumba